Let me be honest. The trades will beat the hell out of you. Cold mornings, hot attics, bleeding knuckles, long days when quitting sounds pretty smart. If you want easy, this isn't it. But here's the part nobody warns you about. The trades don't break weak people. They expose them. Because if you can survive this, you can survive anything. While others complain about pay, you're literally stacking skills. While others chase comfort, you're building value. The pain isn't pointless. Every hard day really is leverage. You don't wake up confident, you have to earn it. One job at a time. That's why tradesmen walk different, talk different, they think different. And the work, yeah, it's brutal, but the reward is pride, freedom, and a life that you didn't beg for.